Hi everyone, this is Jingfan again. Today I'm going to show you how to use Gartic Phone to do a game with your students. This game is kind of like Pictionary Game, like you draw a picture and let others guess what it is, or the opposite. With Gartic, you can do it with your students or friends even if you are not in the same place. Of course, as a language teacher, we could use this game for our class. So how can we use it for our class? Let's check out together. Okay, first, make sure you and your students are in the same online meeting room, for example, Zoom or Microsoft Teams. And then go to this Gartic Phone website and you can switch languages here. Now I'm gonna do in English. And you can start. There are a lot of settings here, but today I'm going to give example with a normal setting. Next, click Invite. And this link will be automatically copied and you can invite your students or friends to play it together. Okay, now our players are here. Before we start this game, I will give them a task. For example, please write a word or write a sentence, or write a sentence with bad structure, or write a fruit word, obviously in Chinese or your targeted language. The game starts. You need to write down a sentence. For example, I write down 我喜欢披萨. At the same time, other participants will also write something. Then next, you will see one word or one sentence from one of the participants, and you need to draw a picture based on this word or sentence. So this sentence is 她喜欢跳舞. She likes dancing. So you can start draw it. I'm very sorry for my bad drawing. And later, you will receive a picture which was drawn by one player, and you need to write down a word or sentence based on this picture. So I write down 苹果比香蕉贵得多. Next, these steps of describing and drawing will repeat. It depends on how many people in this game. And now let's see what my students did in GCI's tea house. We designed this tea house time every week for our students to chat in Chinese online. So let's check together. 自行车。哎，画得很好。很好。自行车，对。OK， 很好 ，Livy 画得很好。对，太好了，猜出来了。大猫看到小狗。
哦，可爱。
小猫看到小狗。猫变不知道了。好，很好。我喜欢吃葡萄也喝葡萄酒。我喜欢葡萄和葡萄酒，很好。我喜欢喝，哎，这个很像，喝红葡萄酒。葡萄牙。OK， 我想吃葡萄牙，喝葡萄酒。Pretty much same。这个很好。How was it? I found our students are super creative. They did so well in learning Chinese as well. I'm so proud of them. Would you like to try this game in your class or out of your class with your students? Or you can also play it with your friends. I'm pretty sure you will laugh about it. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments. I will see you next time. Bye bye!